Put this wire on to not put pressure on the branch, okay? Bring it around there. Now I'm going to press them together with this hand. And I'm twirling it in the air.
You're twirling the wire.
I'm twirling it on the branch. Or
I'm not
like
winding it around the branch.
You're twirling it around.
I'm twirling it,
Twisting it around.
twisting
Getting
it.
the curve in before it
Yeah.
makes contact.
Now I have to make a different length because this is what I call a shoulder. A shoulder is any place where the branch changes direction or diameter. And when you're at a place like that, if you have to do this, so this is approximately 4 times the diameter, maybe I'm cheating and it's 3, but when I get over here, I got to get behind the shoulder to make this really secure. Then I bring it around. Now I hold this. It's always a two-handed job. Ryan Neal told me one time, he said Mr. Kimura was watching him wire and he got on him for not using 2 hands. And he said something about God gave you 2 hands. If you're not going to use them, I might as well cut one of them off.
That's a good way to remember it. And
But you see what I'm doing is I'm using my thumb over here to twist it in the air. I use the second hand to bring the branch and the wire together. And then I come around here again and I bring it around.
Okay, because somebody was telling me I was hanging on too close to go out at the end of the wire and twist the wire.
Oh, yeah, that's when you're in a hurry doing a demo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
I know about
so
that.
you do get closer in. Do you
Oh,
get
I've
closer?
done that many times. I mean, you know, especially if the branch, if the bark is like a conifer, like let's say it's a white pine, where the branches are long and there's not a lot of stuff in the way, and you can go there and go right up. Yeah.
Okay,
You can
that's
do
the
it.
proper
But I
way
mean,
to do it.
but
Yeah.
if you want it to not get too tight and scar it right away and so forth, then you would put this
Use your
on like
thumb.
this, and you use a wire that's big enough that you can bend it in any direction and it stays in.
Yeah.
You know, so